So we're up in Norwich at the moment and we're about 21 miles from the coast and we're making a picnic, ready to go and have that by the seaside. And one way of doing this is to hollow out one of these round loaves, boule loaves. And so I'll get rid of some of this bread and then start to stack in some deliciousness. And it'll be absolutely lovely. Oh, we have a little chutney there as well. Right, bear with me. So the bread's been taken out and I'm going to turn that into breadcrumbs. And I use that in all sorts of things, including stuffed mushrooms. So we're ready to start piling in some fillings. Now I've added a little butter because it stops wet things like coleslaw, mayonnaise and such like seeping into the bread. And with these sort of stuffed loaves, you don't eat them till the second or third day. And so I don't want the whole thing to be soggy. That's the plan. I'm carrying on from there. Cream cheese, and I'm going for a lovely salami next. Okay, moving on. Salami in, coleslaw next, then some dolce latte. Ooh, there we are, coleslaw done. Onto this. These are such fun to make, by the way. The only pain is you have to wait a day before you can tuck in. So it all sort of solidifies. Blue cheese in. Now tomatoes are in. And we're heading to the final stage with pickle and the top bread. And then we press it down with foil around it. Topping out ceremony about to happen. Wonder if I can work out where it goes. Might be about right. So this gets pressed down, foiled round, left in the fridge with a weight on it. And then we'll see what it looks like when we cut it. Yum, yum. So the picnic didn't happen because it didn't stop raining. So we're back at the house and we're going to cut this here and have this on plates like normal people. So we made this actually 2 days ago. And it's had plenty of time to sort of mould and cement together. Show us what's inside, Roger. He's just washed his paws. And we're going in. Ooh, little pocket inside of loveliness. Oh, I can see the salami. I can see the blue cheese, I can see pickle, I can see all sorts of deliciousness. Soaring is the answer. Oh no, clean up in aisle 3. You'll make it all right. Well done. So there we have a bit of an indoor picnic. He's going to add crisps to his as well. But it will be delicious. And this will keep us going for a day or so. Pop round, there's plenty here.